So guys, I just prepare my stencil in Illustrator. So I create a file size in order to save materials, because I'm going to print on trace paper. So that is few stamps only. So what I do when that is prepared, I just do export and save as BMP. Here is coming some settings. So I choose grayscale. From the DPI I choose other, and 600 DPI I do. So okay, that is like it is. So I go to my file and I print from Acrobat Professional. For this purpose I convert to above PDF. Here is my Acrobat Professional and my stencils coming. So what I do, I go to print. For that purpose I need to make setup. I choose my printer, that is Brother. Printer importance is scanning none. Preferences I choose A5 portrait, because I'm going to print from manual tray like this portrait. So 600 dpi. Graphics is more important. I'm going to advanced other print options, density adjustment, that is click off and just put darkest. That is important. So this one is darkest. I just push OK. Again, check everything is properly. Set it up. OK. Again, scaling none. Portrait. And I'm going to print. Black and white printer. So I put from manual tray. This one in. Manual tray. Let's push OK. And we go. And here's our outcome. So I use refillable compatible cartridge. Cartridge powder React on the spray, which is make more darker. So it is very dark stencil. So and I'm gonna make more darker. I just want to show you that is before spray was applied. It's dark enough, you see, and I'm going to make more darker. So for this purpose I use this one toner density spray, which react with powder and make more darker stencil. So that is trace paper, and I'm gonna apply and let dry up a little bit. A little bit with fan or something, like a little bit of this heater. Even when it's radiator on, you can come close to radiator. You see how darkened is it now? And I'll show you through the light. Now it was dried up. You see how darkened is it? Just perfect. So do not use original cartridge. Use only cartridge which is refillable, so compatible. Not original. Original doesn't react with spray. So you see on the light how darkened is it? It is just perfect. Oh, is just perfect. You see how dark is it? How dark is it? Perfect stencil for flashing. Let's see guys, how dark is that? Just perfect for flashing. All details. What I done, I just replace one new cartridge and transfer all new set. That is why the powder just lay evenly without any gaps and dents.